What's up, guys? So it's been raining for the past 2 days, pouring down, and we got another 3 days of rain. Well, I've been having some streaks on my car from all the rain. So I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wiper blades. So first off, for the 04 to 08 Acura TLs, this is your part numbers you're going to need. A 76622 SDA A01 and a 76632 SEP A01. And it's just the actual rubber insert is all it is. To take off your wiper, you'll see right here at the joint, it's got this little piece. What you're gonna have to do is push in and pull down, and then angle that out. On the bottom side, it's got this little push tab, and what you're doing is releasing it by pushing up. Okay, now that we're back inside from the rain, I'm going to show you how to actually remove the original wiper blade. Now, first off, when I bought my car, it actually had aftermarket wiper blades on there, and I wasn't able to buy just this strip. So in order to do this, I had to go to Acura and actually order both of the brackets and the strips, which cost me like $50. But now that I got the original bracket, it cost me $25 to replace both of them, and it's lasted me over a year since the last time I replaced them. So to remove these, on one end it's tapered, so you can see how it's like locked in with that the metal black part. It locks it in right there. So we're actually going to pull up to pull these all out, because the opposite end is not tapered, so it's not locking it in on that side. So now let's pull this out. So starting with your tapered end, if you pull, once you pull and get it started, you'll be able to just continue to slide and see it drop out all of those edges. Now, if you look at it, it's got these metal strips that are actually in this little slot. All right, so once you have the two metal strips removed, now you can discard of the old one. So here is the new one. Notice that it's kind of a lighter gray. And if you look, it's got a slot right here at the top, the very top. And that's where these metal strips go. Now with both of your metal strips into place, here's the tapered end where it locks, and here is the non-tapered end. All you gotta do is just get it started and work it all the way down. And once you got it all the way down, now come back over here to this other end. Notice it's not quite far enough. It's got to lock into this place right here. So you can just grab a hold of it and pull until it locks into place. So to reinstall it, you see how it's got this rounded edge? So if I turn that rounded edge around, slide your wiper blade in there until it drops in, and then pull up, and you'll hear it click into place, just like you do on the first one. Push in and pull down, slide it out. All right, so on the smaller one, once again, you find the side that has the tapered edge. That's the locked in side. So we're going to pull down from this side so it slides easily. All right, so get a hold and pull. Once you get it started, it'll come right out. Same with the other one. Take out your metal strips, get your new part, slide your metal strips back into place, and if it doesn't go all the way on, pull out just a little bit and it'll lock into place. So here's your tapered side. So do the non-tapered side first so it slides on, and slide it all the way down. All right, and once you've got it into place, grab a hold of right here and pull until it locks into place. Slide this over and then pull straight up until it clicks into place. Perfect. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a like, and if you want to know anything else about Hondas or other how-tos, stay tuned for more projects.